You know, one thing about these Hollystone drones, particularly the 700D, if you disconnect the camera, you have no Wi-Fi. So if you want to put your GoPro on there, keep that in mind. Just to see if you can get in on that. This is the waypoint route, if you can see it.
Too close.
If I could, anyway, how about that? Okay, that's my waypoint route. We're testing this. I've never used it before. I'm gonna go out here, back towards the edge of the tree line, then follow the tree line several points, a point back here, and then it should end up right over us. Anyway, we're gonna try that. Use the waypoints. Alright, here we go.
A little too fast for me.
As you can see, mosquitoes get pretty big around here. Warning, warning, imminent danger. Warning, warning, imminent danger. I keep forgetting to put my strobe lights on. Okay. I'm gonna have to bring it back down. Okay, here we go. See what it does. We'll be going to the first checkpoint. And okay, now it's going to the second checkpoint. I'm going to add some altitude.
I can't even see it.
Just look up over the top of the camera, sweetheart. Don't worry about looking on that screen. Help me keep an eye on it. You still got it? Just kind of aim. Okay, now it's starting its track toward along the tree line. You still see it? How long?
Oh, it's over there.
You keep an eye on
right.
it. Don't worry about the camera. Just roughly keep the camera on it, but watch the drone. You got the drone?
Yeah.
Okay, you keep the drone in sight. 'Cause I lost it.
Yeah, it's over here to your right. See it?
Okay. Oh, okay. Now it should be. All right. Look, it's flying all the waypoints. Now see, it's coming back. Isn't that something? Now I put another one in there where it goes out there. But I'm gonna hit the return home. Okay, Mr. Know-It-All, where is it? When I touch the screen, it comes right over it. Now it's going that way. Hey, come back. I'm bringing it home. Sure you are. I didn't want it to get out of it. Okay, it should stay Here it comes. Well, it's about time. Try to get a good. Okay, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of music now in the background. That's our clubhouse and swimming pool. And I'm lucky to have the big open field and the swamps and the St. Johns River and Lake Monroe back behind that. Got plenty of room for drone flying. And as you can tell, we have a thunderstorm over Lake Monroe. We're in our wet season, and we're getting a lot of rain. There's our backyard. When the weather's nice, Lake Monroe is really pretty, nice and blue. is our neighborhood here in Sanford. We've lived here since 2006. Really love it. One reason we love it around here, we have a wildlife sanctuary right in our backyard and our field and swamps back here. It's unbelievable some of the things that we see from day to day. I've heard a lot of strange sounds out there in the swamps at night. Sometimes sounds like monkeys or apes. Might be just some homeless guys hitting the wine too. Not really sure. And coming in now, and I nearly crashed it when trying to land on my trailer from where I took off. I've been lucky with this holystones. I've crashed 3 or 4 times, and so far I haven't hurt nothing. I was checking it out in the bedroom one night, and I accidentally hit auto takeoff, and it bounced off of 2 walls, hit the closet door, crashed upside down, making all kind of noise. But after looking at it, yeah, it was, except for a few scratches on the prop, it was fine. Put a lot of marks on the walls though. I enjoy my Holystone 700D because I can fly it here in Class C airspace anytime I want, as long as I get authorization. I'm still waiting on a code from Unique to fly my new Typhoon H. They have been no help so far, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get a code.
Okay, the tap fly works fine. I keep losing video connection though, off and on. So I'm not sure about that. I'll have to look into that and see about maybe getting a booster or a range extender. Anyway, it came out, the tap fly was what I was testing today, and it was great. Paul Stevens, out.
I really enjoy my drones. It's become a really relaxing and fun hobby for me. I have 2 right now. I'm thinking about buying a 3rd one. And also my interest is in my RC airplanes is picked up, and I'm checking those out, getting them ready. I might fly a couple of my electric ones.
The reason I'm doing